I just got myself a brand new MacBook. Oh my god, I want to show. Oh my god. Okay, let me calm down. Let me calm down. Let me calm down. Yeah, guys. So we are going to be unboxing this together. I got this MacBook with the money I made from editing videos for people. When I tell you, come and learn video editing, you say no. Anyways, so this is the laptop I was using before. This is a Dell laptop, very durable. But when I got this laptop, I didn't get it specifically for video editing because I was learning web development. So I thought I was going to be developing websites before I now switched to video editing. So this laptop is 8 gig RAM, 256 memory, and it was very difficult for me when it comes to editing because I edit like large footage, 4K. So it was always lagging that even using my iPhone is always faster than this laptop. So most times I'll download with this laptop, do some rough cuts, because of space. My iPhone 12 Pro Max is also 256, so I was always dealing with space issue. I was always having space issue, memory issue. So I'll download here, do some rough cuts, then transfer to my phone to do the other edits. See, this app LocalSend has been my bestie because I'm always using it to transfer files from my laptop to my phone or from my phone to my laptop. So it was really, really useful for me. So it got to a point I was like, I need to upgrade. And if I'm upgrading, I am not just, buying anyhow laptop. I am getting a MacBook. So let us unbox this together. This is MacBook Air M4, 16 gig RAM, 512 memory. Yeah, this is it right here. So we're going to be unboxing it right now. When I got this Dell, it was not even brand new. It was, used. But this one, it's a very huge investment for me, and I'm so proud of myself. Yeah. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I hate, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? I also ordered some other accessories from Temu for the new MacBook, so let's check it out together. By the way, if you are not using this dual shot app, you are missing out. Currently, I am filming video for both YouTube and TikTok, what I'm doing right now. So this is really nice. If you are yet to get it, please just go to your App Store or Play Store to go and download it. Yeah. This is the first item. This is not for the MacBook. This is for my gym. I added some sets to my gym, so I'm not going to be showing it here. So I got this wireless mic because it will not really be comfortable using the mouse pad. So I got this, and this is really cute. I love it. Can you see? This is matte. I think I might have to buy a connector, but it has Bluetooth. It has Bluetooth, yeah. I think it has Bluetooth. Okay, this is the charger. It has Bluetooth. I can use Bluetooth to connect it, or I get a type C that I'll be using for the, I'll just connect it directly to the laptop. The thing I got is this bag for the laptop. I think it's really cute, although I've not seen it, but the way I saw it, I think it is very cute. Yeah, so this is it. I also got it in midnight blue, just like the color of my MacBook. Yeah, so this is it. I think it should fit into it. Yeah, let me put it inside. Actually, like very small laptops. Like, I love small laptops. Can you see this? It's even bigger than it. Yeah, so that's it. Then the next thing I got, which is the last thing, is, no, that's not the last thing. I think there are two. So, oh, okay, this is another gym stuff. Okay, so I got this this stuff for cleaning. So if you actually notice that the laptop, when you use your, like, it shows fingerprint. So I got this, is it fiber cloth, to be cleaning it. Yeah, and then I also got this keyboard protector. I'm really treating this my laptop like a baby, because I saw somebody on TikTok that posted that crumbs of biscuits fell on her keyboard and then everything, like, it spoiled. She closed it with the biscuit and it affected the screen. So I don't want anything on my laptop, so I got this for the keyboard. I also got this screen guard. I don't know, I think it has, I'm not sure. I hope it has not bent the way I'm seeing it like this. Okay, so there are like two films. So I'm just going to, I don't know if I'm going to attach the video of how I'm going to be placing it on the screen, but this is how it looks like. I'm going to figure that out later. Okay, that's it about the unboxing. I might do a review later, maybe after like a month, to tell you how it's working. But even before I got it, I've seen a lot of positive reviews on this. For when it comes to video editing and all of that, the system is very good. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe and join the family. If you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Join the family. All right, I'll see you in my next video.